guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I just filmed a quick clean with me around the house. Today I'm collaborating with Crystal Avery and I'm gonna have her channel linked down in the description below. She makes a ton of cleaning videos, she makes cooking videos, just lifestyle videos. I really love all of her videos and I know you guys are going to also. So I'm going to have her channel linked down in the description below, and she also has a video. So go ahead and check out her video, let her know that I sent you over, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's collaboration and video. This portion of the video I ended up filming later on in the evening, so that's why my clothes are different and the lighting is a lot different. I had gotten busy, so I had to finish off in the evening. But yeah guys, I hope you all enjoyed today's video. Again, don't forget to check out Crystal's channel. It's going to be linked down in the description below. Go ahead and check out, subscribe to her channel, let her know that I sent you over, and yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss any more of my videos, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!